What's up y'all and welcome back to my channel. Salut à tous et bienvenue sur ma chaîne. What's up y'all and welcome back to my channel. Salut à tous et bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Aujourd'hui, too much, oh sorry, I was gonna start speaking French. Anyways, so in today's video, I'm gonna tell you guys about my after blonde hair care routines and treatments and show you the multiple ways that I take care of my hair after I color treat it and bleach it to blonde. So let's go ahead and just jump right into the video. So the first thing I do immediately after bleaching my hair is I literally let my hair soak in oils for like 3 to 4 days. I literally put it in a slicked back bun. The stuff that I like to use the most when my hair is slicked back in a bun is I love using Dew Grow because I don't know y'all, I just feel like that's the consistent oil that literally brings my hair back to life. And the one bad thing about Dew Grow is it's a thinner oil, so it definitely gets everywhere. What I usually do is I'll take a deep conditioner, and my favorite deep conditioner is the Shea Moisture Black Jamaican Castor Oil Mask. It's nice and thick. That's a mask that I've continuously used like within the past like maybe 2 years, and it's just worked for me. So what I'll do is I'll take that along with my Dew Grow and just mix it all together and put it in my hair, leave my hair alone for like 5 days. After that, what I like to do is I like to then go in with more heavier oils and a thicker mask and just basically mix some type of concoction up together and sit under my steamer. So just to give you guys like, I'm gonna just warn you guys, I'm a product junkie like most of the people who watch my channel and just most curly hair girls anyways. So I have a lot of oils, a lot of deep conditioners. I would say the 2 deep conditioners that I really love using is, once again, my Jamaican Black Castor Oil Mask by Shea Moisture is like OG staple. I don't think that's going anywhere anytime soon or at all. Another mask that I like, and I actually don't have it anymore, is the Carol's Daughter Rasol collection. I did a video a super long time ago on that, and I just love that mask. And I also like the blue Carol's Daughter mask, but that's not necessarily, what is it called? I don't know if I like the mask or if I like the smell. But if you guys are OG watchers on this channel, you know this is a mask that is no stranger to my channel. So between the Shea Moisture, the Rasol collection, and the Restoring Mask, and then Shea also has a really good low porosity or high porosity, whichever one is like the blue and orange, whatever mask that is, that's a really good mask too. So then what I'll do, depending on how I'm feeling, I'll always mix a mask, and today I'm gonna go in with the Jamaican Castor Oil Mask, and then I'll go in and add an oil. So today I'm feeling like using Dew Grow, and then I'll put a little bit of my almond oil. Sometimes I'll go a little crazy and I'll put some like jojoba oil, and I always put a bit of peppermint, just because peppermint allows the blood circulation to go through your scalp, and it allows the product to work into your pores, taking out any congestion that you have in your pores, because one, your hair can't grow when your pores are congested, and you just block that circulation that you want to continuously have if you want healthy hair, whether it's to grow or to restore. So whenever I'm just chilling around the house or have like a lazy Sunday, I sit under my steamer for like 15 to 20 minutes, and I literally just go from right to center to left, and I just make sure that it's evenly saturated throughout my entire hair. I do have a full video on my steaming routine, what I do and why I do it, but just to add that into this video, steaming is so important because a lot of people think deep conditioning is kind of all they need and that's it. But I like to explain steaming like this. Okay, so if you get a makeup wipe and you just wipe up all your makeup and you leave it at that, you didn't really get into your pores and get into what really needs to be deeply cleaned. And I feel like the same goes for your hair. So a lot of people just slap on a deep conditioner thinking that's gonna be it, when in all actuality, your hair follicles need to be opened up so that actual product can work into your follicle. So steaming basically opens up the pores in your scalp, open up your hair follicles, allows the product that you're using to go into your hair. The steam seals it in there, And I'm telling you guys, if you guys do one thing that I say to do when it comes to color treated hair or just hair in general, I would say you guys need to go buy a steamer. I'll go ahead and link the one that I got it from Amazon. And steam your guys' hair at least once a week. It's not easy. Honestly, I haven't seen my hair for like a month, but steaming your hair will change your life because it allows the deep conditioner to actually work. And I'm telling you, you will see the difference after one time. My staple items are the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil mask and the castor oil. Those two are pretty much always what I use. Like I said, I like the Rasol collection from Carol's Daughter, and then I like the almond oil too. But do grow, castor oil, I'm sorry, I didn't say do grow before. So if there's 3 things that you need to deep condition, it would be the Jamaican Black Castor Oil by Shea Moisture. It would be the Do Grow. Either one works good for me. I kind of mix both of them. And then the almond oil and peppermint. Dang. I guess, look, that just shows y'all I'm a true product junkie. I'm sorry, y'all. But just mix different oils and go online and do your own research. Some people need more so like oils and products for breakage. Other people need more stuff for like weak hair or thinning hair. So it kind of just depends on you. Another way that I care for my hair after I bleach it is I watch what I do when I wash it in the shower, if that makes sense. So this might be gross to some of you guys, but I don't really use shampoos. I know a lot of people are no stranger to co-washing, but for me, because the bleach will dry out your hair a bit, and I know there are some really good shampoos out there, but to be honest, for the most part, I just condition my hair. And another thing that I do, obviously, right after I bleach is I use my L'Oreal Smart Bond. L'Oreal Smart Bond is a 3-step system, and step 2 and step 3 are basically to condition and restore your hair. So step 2 is literally right after you bleach or tone, and you're supposed to leave it in your hair. I'm not a professional, so don't quote me on any of this. But I actually use step 2 kind of like as a bi-weekly treatment. And then it also comes with the step 3, and the step 3 is more so of a strengthening conditioner. But I believe that the step 3 in the L'Oreal Smart Bond can be bought online. And then another big life changer, and I'm telling y'all, I thought it was, oh girl, it's bomb. Ugh, it's so good. So I wash my hair with big life changer, and I'm telling y'all, I thought it was a lie, y'all. I'm not gonna front. I thought it was like a hair care lie, but sleeping on a silk pillowcase or wrapping your hair up in a pineapple in silk will change everything, because when you bleach your hair is very sensitive to everything. So just making sure it's wrapped up in something silky and satiny and smooth, it basically reduces any type of friction that you're gonna have with any breakage. So I know a lot of you guys are like, okay, this is about blonde hair treatment and this is obviously a wig. What does this like have to do with the video? The reason why my hair is under a wig right now is because I've been working out so much, and just trying to have my hair curly is doing the most. So right now, the way I allow myself to have some versatility, still be cute and feel, you know, a little different and not have to do too much work, is I have my hair braided under this wig, 2 little straight backs. I have some Do Grow oil in it, and I have my Shea Moisture mask in my hair right now. That's why my wig might look a little oily, but you know, underneath is cooking, so I don't even care. But yeah, just have fun with protective styles. I would say, I love my curly hair, and it's one of my favorite physical features that I have is just my natural curly hair. I think is absolutely gorgeous, but sometimes it's too much, and sometimes I don't like it, and sometimes I just want it out of my face, and I want to have my hair straight, or I want to have a short bob, but I wouldn't commit to doing that. So I would say just find like 1 to 2 wigs or maybe a protective style, braid your hair up and let your hair relax and be stress-free. And make sure that protective style allows you to put some type of oil or deep conditioner in it. When I braid my hair back, I put deep conditioner and oil in my hair. I know some people say that doesn't make your braids last that long or you can have product buildup, but I've had nothing but a great experience with that because when I take out my braids, my curls is popping. So yeah, that's basically my after blonde hair care routine / treatments and little tips and tricks that I have. I really hope this video wasn't all over the place. Not gonna lie, I recorded this video. Now I'm gonna take this wig off. I'm gonna sit under my steamer, and basically everything that you saw me under the steamer, it was actually this actual same day. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and I will see you on the next upload. Bisous! Another way that I talk through videos are so hard, y'all. Another way that I treat my color what do I want to say? Another way that I treat my color. Another way that I treat my colored blonde hair. Aftercare.